Hey, how's it going? Lovely Saturday. So, we were washing this big, beautiful home. As you can see, Aaron's replacing fan blades. And what we had was one of these fan blades. They're plastic, no high pressure, just rinsing. And he ran the tip of the water stream across the fan blade, just snapped it right off. And what we were able to do is find an entirely new fan on Amazon for $52. And we're just swapping the blades because it was originally a white fan and it's dirty, and they're like super happy about it. They were super chill. But sometimes when you break something, you can fix it yourself. Just wanted to say, like, if that happens to you, just do your best to see how you can mitigate it. Next blade? Or not yet?
Blade.
How to mitigate it yourself, something like this. $52 fix. $52 fix on an $800 house wash. Really not bad. What's up, buddy? What's up, Zach? But, you know, we just had to come back over when the fan got in. They were super, super, super chill about it. And really good customers. But anyway, just wanted to share, like I said, sometimes you get the bear and sometimes the bear gets you, but you can see new blades are a lot cleaner. You know, we're not replacing the whole fan. We could, but we're not doing that. Aaron, when we were over here washing, I was like standing right here talking to the crew, and he was just rinsing the balcony, and he was standing over there, and he was rinsing this part of the balcony, and the fan was like lazily spinning, and he like just touched the tip of a blade with the low stream rinse, and it just snapped it. I mean, I was standing right there. It was gunner. Yep. And it was over. So we just took a picture of the blade and went on Amazon, and a new fan was $92, but then they had a used one that was like new, and all we wanted was the blades. I mean, really just one blade, but you know, we've got the fan, and we're just like, I'm not keeping extra fan blades, and so we're replacing all 5 of them, and the customer's happy. And then this is already their second service with us, so they're super, super happy. They knew that we were gonna make it right, and also luckily for us, it's not 8 minutes from base camp, so it's not like it's like putting us out to